Edye Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edye, I'll be making cranberry coffee cake. Now this recipe is special to me because while working on Friends Season 3, Courtney Cox actually craved something sweet around the Thanksgiving filming season. So we are going to make this simple, delicious cranberry coffee cake. The recipe and the links to all the products you see me using here will be in the description below. Do us the hugest favor, click that like button, hit the notification bell, and please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. If you're not aware, we do have a Facebook group called Stovetop Oven Omnia Fans. Please join.
Stovetop Omnia Oven Fans. Oh, they'll find it.
That's not what I said?
No.
Did I? Oops.
All right.
I am eager to taste something sweet. Let's cook.